Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, getting ready to replace the coupler on that hopper that arrived. It's broken, as you see. So I've got a replacement. Now it's just a matter of doing it, putting it on here. So I just want to do a quick video so you can see a really simple way to replace these couplers. Now it goes over a plastic rod, and then is just heated at the top to form a sprue, so that can't come back off. Now, this plastic gets really hard when it's heated like that. So you can go up to the edge of this sprue with a pair of nippy cutters and just cut that sprue off. It only takes a second to do this. Just like that. And there's still plenty of material left to reheat it to put the new coupler back on. So pull the old one off, as you see. The new coupler, now this one is cracked right there, so I have to repair that. But in any case, we'll just slide the new coupler into position, line it up on that stud, snap it into position, and as you see, you have repaired it. So what I will do, of course, is get the a hot rod of some kind. I usually take the end of the drill bit, heat it red hot, and then just re-sprue that by touching it. It only takes a second to do this. It's really, really simple. It's straightforward. The sprue, like I said, you just nibble it away with a pair of nippy cutters, and you have a stud that you can just drop the new coupler onto. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on a really simple way to replace these couplers. It only takes a second. Like I said, you can use a soldering iron and re-sprue the end of this rod to hold the coupler in position. It's really simple, straightforward. It only takes a minute. As far as the wheels, overnight in 5% vinegar in a Dixie cup, and they'll be rust-free. So a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.